Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful textured embroidery flower wreath using some special thread, and this is looking absolutely stunning. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I have this beautiful kit to create the textured flowers. Recently I have visited here in the London, the Knit and Stitch Festival, and from one of the counter I got this beautiful textured pattern embroidery set, and instantly I thought why not to purchase it and try it out. So these kind of threads I haven't seen yet, and my creative mind decided to try this out, and they are very gorgeous, very light in weight, having nice texture, and kit includes the pink ribbon as well, the super soft cotton cloth on which we are going to do the embroidery, and the special part of this includes all the things which you require to create the wreath, along with the small buttons, the instruction in step-by-step pictorial form. And if you are new to embroidery, then also you can make it very easily. Also you will get this stencil to create the wreath pattern for the base, and step-by-step procedure is included, but it's super duper easy to make. And after learning the process, you can do the same process with the yarn, with thick wool, or any kind of textured thread. You can make this, and the brand from which I got the kit is called Kate's Cloths, which is the UK brand. So here I am taking 6 inches of diameter of embroidery hoop and putting the cloth inside this. Though the 5 inches hoop will be more perfect for this kind of design, or the template which is given is good with 5 inches one, but currently I have 6-inch hoop, so I am using that one. Just tightening the hoop from the top and stretching my cloth so that we can work on it easily. Now taking the template, so the outer circle diameter is 3.5 inches and the inner circle diameter is 2 inches, and we have to just trim it the ring shape using scissor and paper cutter so that we will have the wreath template. So the wreath template is ready. Now on back side of this I am going to attach double-sided tape so that we can temporarily connect this exactly in the center of our cloth. So I am just putting double-sided tape on back side of this ring and sticking exactly in the center of the hoop, and this is ready. Now here I am taking this ordinary blue color thread, taking blue one so that we can know the edge, and we just need to do simple running stitch around the ring pattern from outer side and also for the inner ring, so that we know the exact position of the wreath inside which we are going to work with texture thread. So both the rings are ready. Now I'm just removing my template, and we have our base tracing done. Now it's time to start with our texture pattern. So here I'm taking this thread, and the good part of this thread is this is hand dyed, so it is already having the shaded effect. Starting from the green, in the center you will find little bit of pink, then again green. So you will have beautiful colorful wreath pattern automatically in the shaded form. So you just need to put your thread in a random pattern, taking light pink or baby pink color thread, and we just need to create some locks to attach this thread. So I'm just putting the thread like this, making my first lock, and then we have to just randomly shape this textured thread to fill the wreath gap. Don't make a zigzag design, just try to create some swirly patterns nearby each other and just fill the wreath pattern like this. So hold the pattern whatever you like with your fingers and then just lock it with small stitch. It's super fun activity, super satisfying to make the work like this. Trust me, you are going to enjoy if you are making it for yourself or to gift it to someone. And this is also perfect idea for the wall decors. You can make it in different colors, and also you can use this method to create some other objects as well, just like flowers, flower vase, or some cartoon pattern on the cloth embroidery. So I'm just continuing with this pattern of making the swirly design here and there and just filling the space. So I'm done with my first ring, or you can say first layer, and now I'm starting with the overlapping technique. That means wherever there are some gaps, I am repeating the same process and filling those gaps with some more random patterns so that the all remaining portion will also get covered. And after doing 2 layers, the wreath is completely ready. It is having mixture of green colors, pink colors. Now I am just trimming the thread and also locking the end of thread using baby pink color thread from bottom like this to just secure it by making some simple stitch. Now from back side I am making some knots and cutting my thread like this. And the wreath pattern is ready, looking very beautiful. Now we don't need this template pattern of dark blue colored thread, so I am just cutting the thread and removing it. It was just for the template design, and now we have covered the wreath pattern, so we just don't need it, and I am quickly removing it. Similarly removing the outer ring, and after removing both the rings it should look like this. Then here I am taking one more little thinner textured thread which is also given in the kit, and randomly I am making some French knots here and there. Just pass the needle from bottom to top, wrap the thread around the needle for 5 to 6 times, put it back, and you will have the French knot ready. And in this way you can fill whatever small gaps are there between the wreath pattern with this process. So just continuing it, and the spaces I am filling with the French knots. So here I have added lots of French knots here and there using the thinner textured thread, and the reed pattern is coming very nice. Can you see the texture here, the dimension? This is very nice and very satisfying. Now I am showing you how to make ribbon rows. This is super easy. Just take the satin ribbon like this, and we just need to cover it from all the direction like this, from left, right, top and bottom. You just need to repeat this process. And then hold both the ends together. Then release one end and just pull that released end gently, and it will automatically get formed in a rose shape. Super duper easy. Then we just need to tie both the ends together using any colored thread like this. Then I'm just passing one pink colored thread through the rose and attaching it in the one corner of the reed. Similarly, I have prepared one more already, so adding one more here. And in total, I have added 3 roses in one corner of the reed, and this is looking absolutely stunning. Now in the pack, I got some buttons in 3 colors: fluorescent green, parrot green and dark green. So one by one I am going to stick these buttons here and there like this. We just need to pass the thread from bottom, lock the buttons and randomly arranging it. Similarly, going to add some more buttons, and after adding all the buttons it will look like this. Now I'm going to do French knot inside the button as well. So just passing pink colored thread to the hole of the button, wrapping the thread around the needle for 4 to 5 times and just making the French knot on both the holes. And similarly repeating the process for all the buttons. So after adding all the French knots on buttons, it will look like this, just like the small filler flowers. Now stretching my cloth again one more time, locking it, making a perfect stretched one, and from back side also it is nice and finished. Now taking one light pink color thread again, and on the edge of the cloth I'm just doing the running stitch and concentrating it in the center so that you will have nice ring shape embroidery work from the front. Just pull the thread, make some knots, cut the excess thread, and your wreath is completely ready. It's looking absolutely stunning. And I'm going to decorate my table corner using the stand, and it will look perfectly fine. So pretty. I have just left with little bit of thread like this for my future references if I want to buy more. And I'm sure you are going to try with this technique to create beautiful patterns in the textured embroidery form. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.